Today we talk about how can you find your market quotes on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go here, you click here on market quotes here, just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You find here market data, and here can you subscribe of your market data here. So in here sig track here, can you subscribe it here? Just click on subscribe. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You just switch in here to open a video. So then here if you want to add annually or monthly, and you click on subscribe, then it's going to show for you a list to add your card or your payment method. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.